Hello dear viewers, today I will discuss about some sentences on making apologize. That is how to apologize in English. For example, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm very sorry, I'm terribly sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Sorry about that. Can you forgive me? I apologize for. Please forgive me. I owe you an apology. You can blame me for this. How should I apologize you? I beg your pardon. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry, I'm late. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Never mind, it doesn't really matter. No big thing. It's not your fault. Please don't blame yourself, thinking nothing of it.